Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. DarkTable package is available on Ubuntu-based repository, so you can install it directly by running the next command. Once DarkTable is installed, go into your desktop. There you will see icon of it, or you can find it by system search bar. Now you can start work with it. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.